Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Exercise 1T, question number 1. Solve the simultaneous equations. Part D is y equals to 3x minus 1, and the second equation, which is 8x square minus 2xy equals to 4. So we will use here the substitution method. We will simplify by using substitution. Tuition method. So now, so here we will substitute the equation 1 into equation 2. So then it would be here the 8, instead of the x we will keep same, instead of the y we will write down the first equation 8x squared minus 2x, and then it would be 3x minus 1, which is equals to 4. Then we will expand the bracket, so it's 8x squared minus 2 times 3 is 6, so x times x would be x squared, then minus minus makes plus, so 2 times 1 is 2, and x we will keep same, which is equals to 4. So now these are the like terms, so 8 minus 6 it would be 2x squared plus 2x, we will shift the 4 on the other side, so it would be minus 4, then equals to 0. After that we will do the factorization there, factorization method for this quadratic. We got the quadratic. So factorization means we have to multiply the first term with the last one. 4 times 2 is 8. Now the factors of 8 that can make the middle term. So 4 times 2 is 8. The product is making 8. But 4 minus 2, which is 2 middle term. So we will factor out it. Now here the 2x square we will keep same, and then plus 4x minus 2x and minus 4, which is equals to 0. So here we will take the common from the first two terms. So 2x is common, we will take out, and x plus 2 is left here, then minus 2 is common, so it would be x plus 2 is equals to 0. Now we will take the common again, so x plus 2 is common, the remaining term we have 2x minus 2, we will make pairs. Now we will shift both separately equals to 0, and the second value is 2x minus 2 equals to 0. Then we will shift the constant on the other side, it would be minus 2, and here it would be equals to 2. Then we will shift the coefficient on the other side, so it will divide 2 by 2, so which is equals to 1. So we got the two values of the x is equals to 2, and then here x is equals to 1. So now we will substitute back into the equation 1 to find the y. So now the first equation here we do have, which is y equals to 3x minus 1. So first we will substitute the minus 2. So 3 into minus 2 minus 1, which is minus 6 minus 1. Minus minus makes plus, so 6 plus 1 is 7. So it means that the first value we got here for factorization, for the simultaneous equation, the variable y is minus 7. Now we will substitute the second equation, second value of the x, which is 1 here. So the 3 into 1 minus 1, then y is equals to 3 minus 1 and y is equals to 2. So the solution of this equation is, when x is minus 2, the y value we got minus 7 at the bottom, and when x is 1, so we got the y value 2, the final answer.